Ever found yourself short on cash before payday? Feeling the pinch between those paychecks? You're not alone. Millions of people worldwide face this financial gap. But what if there was a way to access your earned income early? Enter Beforepay. But, hold on. Beforepay isn't available everywhere. So, let's dive in and discover which countries can currently enjoy the benefits of early wage access. Beforepay is a revolutionary financial wellness platform that allows employees to access a portion of their earned wages before their official payday. Imagine getting paid for the work you've already done, whenever you need it. No more waiting, no more stress, just instant access to your hard-earned money. Sounds amazing, right? But, as I mentioned, this amazing service isn't available globally yet. Currently, Beforepay primarily focuses on the United States. This means that if you're an employee in the US and your employer partners with Beforepay, you can likely access this incredible service. However, Beforepay is constantly expanding its reach. They are actively exploring new markets and partnerships to bring their services to more countries around the world. While the official list of countries is limited for now, there's a strong possibility that Beforepay will soon be available in Canada, a natural next step given its proximity to the U.S. market. United Kingdom, a large and developed economy with a strong demand for financial wellness solutions. Australia, another key market with a growing need for flexible financial access. Other developed nations, countries in Europe, Asia, and South America could also see Beforepay services in the future. It's important to remember that the availability of Beforepay depends on various factors, including employer partnerships. Beforepay requires a partnership with your employer to offer the service to its employees. Regulatory approvals. Each country has its own set of financial regulations that Beforepay must comply with. Market demand. Beforepay will prioritize expanding into markets with high demand for early wage access solutions. So, if you're eager to see Beforepay arrive in your country, there are a few things you can do. Spread the word, share this video with your friends and family, and encourage them to learn more about Beforepay. Contact Beforepay. Reach out to Beforepay directly through their website or social media channels to express your interest and provide feedback. Contact your employer. If you believe your employer would benefit from offering Beforepay to its employees, encourage them to reach out to Beforepay for a partnership. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.